Today, we will simulate 7-segment display, which will count from 0 to 9 when the button is pressed. Start the project. Create a new STM32 project. Select IC, then Next. Enter project name. Now pin out and configuration. Define 8 output pin for 7-segment display. Define an output pin for switch pin. Under System Core GPIO configuration, change the setting of input pin to pull-up from. From our CC set high-speed clock as crystal ceramic resonator. Now clock frequency on 70 to MHz. To generate the code, select Ctrl+S button. Now enter your code for your requirement. This line is an array named segments, containing binary configurations for displaying digits 0 to 9 on a 7-segment display. This function is responsible for displaying a single digit on the 7-segment display, and we use output pin PA3 to PA9, so obtained value 3 bits to the left. This code sets up to variables, count, and last button state, and reads the current state of a button connected to a GPIO pin. In while loop, first read the input pin, then statement check. If the current state of the button is 0, and if the previous state of the button was 1. When button is pressed, it increments a count variable and displays the updated count from 0 to 9. Complete the code. Now debug the code and show console windows to see the error. Now make a hex file to simulate this project. Now create a Proteus file to simulate in software. To add components, select this. Search component in this box. Now set all component for your requirement. Complete circuit diagram. Load the hex file. Run the project. Finally, we can see counting from 0 to 9 as the button is pressed.